forward. This year has been a little horrific at times, but it has helped me slow down and focus on learning new things like investing. So welcome to episode 3. I'll be trying to grow my stock portfolio on Robinhood to $10,000, as well as try to earn $20 in dividends per month on average. In the first quarter of 2020, I made a whopping total of $2.39 from dividends, and in the last quarter of 2020, I actually made $20.20. That's over an 8 times increase, and this was without investing consistently throughout the year. So if you guys want to join Robinhood or M1 Finance, there will be referral links down below where you can get 1 free stock from Robinhood or a $10 credit from M1 Finance. This is my portfolio as of December 31st, 2020. My portfolio closed out at $3,858.27. This is a 6.7% growth for the month and a 25.46% growth for the year. I'm super excited and happy with the growth that has happened during this time. Before I get into my dividends, I just wanted to clarify that in this video, I will be including dividends from M1 Finance and Robinhood, and I have been for the last 2 episodes, but moving forward, I will no longer include M1 Finance dividends. In my M1 Finance account, I own very small fractional shares, and I don't really invest into M1 Finance anymore unless it is for my Roth IRA. I just prefer using Robinhood at this time. Since my M1 dividends are really small, literally ranging from 1 cent up to 37 cents, I'll just be listing out the companies that paid me for the month of December. So I received some dividends from UPS, Toyota, Johnson & Johnson, AG&C, HE, IBM, BOH, KO, O, Stag, KHC, Nike, SPHD, and LTC. HE is just a Hawaii electric company, and BOH is a Hawaii bank. Moving on to my Robinhood portfolio, I got paid by 6 different companies, 3 of which are Hawaii banks. So for the first one, it is FHB. I got paid $2.60 for owning 10 shares. And next is BOH, which paid me $2.01 for owning 3 shares. And lastly, for the banks, I own CPF, which paid me $1.84 for owning 10 shares. Next, I got paid from 2 different REITs. The first one is AG&C. They paid me 60 cents for 5 shares, and next I got paid 23 cents from Realty Income for owning 1 share, and lastly I got paid 77 cents from SPHD for owning 5 shares. So in total from Robinhood and M1 Finance, I made a total of $9.77 in dividends for the month of December, and for the year I made $31.95, which is crazy to think about because I was only making less than $1 per month, and this completes my first full year of dividend earnings. Throughout the month of December, I invested $315. I bought 1 share of Stag, 3 shares of AT&T, 3 shares of SPHD, 1 share of O, 1 share of OHI, and lastly, 1 share of GBDC. I recently started researching GBDC. I wanted to make a new habit of researching into new stocks to invest in, so each month I'll be adding a new stock to my portfolio. GBDC is a company that provides loans to small to medium market cap sized companies. Their main investments are in senior secured loans or one-stop loans. From my understanding, this means that GBDC is providing loans to businesses to help the business grow and scale. The loans are secured against the borrowing company's assets in order to prevent losses on GBDC. Also, GBDC offers a 8% dividend yield, which is pretty high and caught my eye on a recent article from Wells Fargo. For next month, I'm looking to invest a minimum of $300, and hopefully that will put me above the $4,000 mark in my Robinhood portfolio. At this rate, I'm on track to hit $10,000 in my Robinhood portfolio by the end of this year. I'm really excited to start this year off and learn more about stocks and different companies. Good luck to everyone investing in 2021. If you guys have some favorite dividend stocks, please let me know in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe as it is a free way to help my channel. Thank you for all the support. Let's excel in life together.